Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have my latest Fashom box to share with you. Now, I actually have to get this back because with Fashom you only have 3 days to try everything on and send it back, and I think I'm past my 3 days, but I've been letting my boxes sit just to be safe after I disinfect them. I did email them for an extension, so I'm hoping that's okay. I'm sure it is. So I'm just gonna jump right in. We're gonna try things on. I'm not gonna go through and do an unboxing. We'll keep it the same, and I'll be right back with the first outfit and see what we got. So hang on one second. All right, so I'm back with the first dress. This is by Skies Are Blue. It's the Frill cap sleeve dress in ink blue, $56, and it's 100% polyester, both the lining and the actual dress. So it does have a V neckline. It does, I think you can see, have buttons that come down the front, just like down to the waistline area. I do like the length of the sleeves too, and I like that they're more of like a flutter sleeve. I think this color is absolutely gorgeous. I love this color. It does have an elastic band here, and it's more like a knee-length dress, which I like. I think I like this dress. I think I may end up keeping this dress. What do you think? It might be a good work dress with some cute heels or some wedges. It's very comfortable, very easy to wear. The only thing is I'm not sure about like the elastic band. It's not tight. I just don't know if it's like falling and creating, I guess not, too much material. Sometimes that happens, you know. Let me show you the back. So I like it. I think I may end up keeping this one. I'm gonna watch back and see what I think, but let me change. I have another dress to try on, so let's do that. I'll be right back. Okay, next dress is by Blue Night. This is the wrap V-neck dress in emerald, $45. It's 97% polyester, 3% spandex. I think it's an extra large. So I was kind of hopeful for this dress, but I don't care for it, and I'll tell you why when I go over it. I do like the neckline. Let's start with the positives. I like the actual cut of the neckline, but there's a little problem with the neckline. See right here, this is the seam, and I can't get it to stay like in, you know what I mean? I guess if I really loved the dress, I would just use fashion tape. But yeah, on both sides, actually, see, because you could see the seam here too. It's not staying, but I do like the V-neck. I like the wrap, like the faux wrap style. The sleeve length is good. I think the color's very pretty. It does tie here on the side, and it is kind of a wrap style dress. I like it. It's a little bit below knee length. I guess if you're taller, it would probably be knee length. I'm 5'2". So it's cute. I just don't love it, so I'm gonna send it back. I do love the color though. It's a little bit longer in the back. I mean, I do like the style. There's just something about it that I can't really put my finger on, and I don't know what it is other than like this isn't staying put. Maybe that's really bothering me, but no, because if I really loved it, I'd make it work. What do you think? Because it would be a cute dress. I actually just got a jean jacket in the mail that I ordered. Like I think I ordered a white one and a regular denim one, which you'll see in a haul. And it would look cute with this, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm just gonna send this one back, I think. So, all right, let me change into the next top. And actually, I have a pair of earrings in this box to show you. I didn't realize Fashom had jewelry until I saw my preview, so I'm excited to share the earrings with you too. So hang on one second, I'll be right back with the next piece of clothing. Okay, next top, and this will be my keeper in this box, I think. So this is by Moci by Purple Rain, floral top. There's 2 sizes on here, so I'm gonna check the tag when I'm done and see which size is correct. There's 2 sizes on the actual sheet. $39, and it's 100% polyester. I know you guys are probably saying, Kayla, what's going on? Is quarantine really getting to you? Because I bought a high neck top and now I'm buying a top that has like the keyhole detail. Yeah, I am. So let me back up to show you the top. It's very pretty, although it is a little bit shorter than I'd like. I prefer my top to be a little bit longer. I just really like the cut of this top. Like, I like how it fits. If I'm making sense, I like the 3/4 length sleeves. Very, very lightweight. So this is a good summer top for work. And just imagine, I have my dark denim on, but just imagine it with like white pants, white jeans. How fun would that be? How nice would that look for summer? So yeah, this top is staying with me. Oh, I didn't really describe this top. So it does have the keyhole. I'm just kind of, I like it. So I was like, yep, it's staying with me. So it's got like the floral print, some burgundy, some blues. I like it. The sleeves kind of have You know, I really can't describe things today. The first video I taped, what was it, an Ipsy? And I was having trouble with my words, and now I can't describe things, so help me out. It's the quarantine brain. We're just gonna blame that, right? All right, let me show you the back of this top. So yeah, I think this one's staying with me. And how cute would it look with a white denim jacket too? Yep. I'm gonna go grab Lexi out of the bush, and then I'm gonna come back with the last top. Oh, she got herself out. That would have been a sight to see, right? All right, I'll be right back. All right, last piece of clothing, then I have the earrings to show you. So the top is by Chris and Carol. It's the Ava multi-floral top in ivory black. This is another one that has 2 sizes. If you've experienced that where you get your Fashom box and it has 2 different sizes, like one before the color and one after, let me know. $44. And the material, I had to write it down because there's a lot of materials, and I've got that quarantine brain like I've been saying, so I can't remember. 59 rayon, 3% spandex, and 38% polyester. I would have never remembered those numbers. So I don't really care for this top. The decision is pretty easy with this box, I think. The neckline is okay. I mean, I don't mind like a rounded or scooped neckline. So let me just back up so you can see the top. It's not really my style. It's okay. I do love the material. It feels really nice. It does have a floral print, and it does, you can see have like, oh, you can see my brother, sorry. Have like polka dot print too, or polka dotted print with the floral, so it's like a mixed pattern top. I don't really care for the black around the arms. Am I being too negative? Let me know. I'm trying not to, but it's just not me, and that's okay. I do like the length. The length of it is really great, and I think the cut is great. I think it's really a flattering cut. It's just not a flattering pattern for me. You know what I mean? Let me show you the back. The back is all just plain black. You know, I almost think that if this was a different pattern in the front, it would be a cute top to wear with leggings because it's long enough that you could wear it with leggings. So I almost feel like if maybe the pattern was different, then I'd like it. Let me know. What do you think? It's just not me, and that's okay. All right, I have earrings to show you. So these earrings, where did I put the price sheet? I'm losing it. The earrings are by Verdiarte. It's not me, it's the name. Verdiarte double swirl earrings in gold, $31. So they're pretty. I do like them. I don't know if I love them. I do like them though. I'm gonna put one on to show you. Oh, I'm gonna read you the back after. I just started to, I was skimming it as I was taking off the earring. You know what, actually, I'm not gonna try it on because I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. I just thought about that as I was getting ready to put it in my ear. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them, so I don't wanna try them on. I'll hold it up close to my ear. They are cute. Let me know what you think. I'm on the fence about these, but then with Fashom, if you buy 3, you get the discount, and there's not really 3. Well, we'll talk about it in the recap. But the back of these says, congratulations, you are purchasing an ecologically friendly product handmade by families of artisans. The golden grass grows in a specific region of Brazil where it is the only source of income. It grows throughout the year, but it can only be harvested from September to November per the environmental protection regulations. This control ensures the conservation of the species, thus the sustainability of the communities. Bear with me, guys, okay? That's really nice. And it says, join the movement. Sustainable fashion for a healthier and ethical planet. I really like that, and I like the concept. I just don't know if I'm crazy about them. I like them, but I don't know, would I pull for them? Maybe. I'll think about them. Let's just do the recap here. What do you think? Are you okay with that? So the earrings are a maybe. Even if I thought about it, I have to make a decision tonight. So, you know, I'm gonna send the earrings back. Yeah, we're just gonna we're gonna send the earrings back. If I don't love it, I'm gonna send them back. But I really would like to try more jewelry from Fashom, so I hope that they send me more in my next box. The top that I'm wearing, I'm also gonna send back. I'm just not crazy about it. Was this Geyser Blue? No, Moci by Rain. My purple rain. I'm keeping this top. I think it's cute. I think it would look cute with white jeans or white pants with a white denim jacket, or if I'm wearing white pants, even a denim jacket. So this is staying with me. I like the color of this too. What do you think? I do wish it was a little bit longer. I really do, but that's all right. And then the dresses, I am going to send both of the dresses back. You already know I wasn't crazy about this emerald green one from when I tried it on. I still can't put my finger on what it is, but the material is a little bit thicker too, and you know, that might bother me. So I am going to send that one back. And then this blue dress, I watched back and I didn't care for it. Something about this area, like right underneath the bust around my waist area, it wasn't flattering. So I think if it was either a straight cut or if the, like, I don't know. It just, because I don't love it, I'm gonna send it back. So yeah, I think the only thing I'm keeping is that top, but this was fun to do a try on, right? And the dresses were very promising, so I thought it was a great box, and it's always fun to get boxes. And if you can keep one, I always say this, I don't do boxes so I can keep every single thing from every single box. I just don't. That's not me. Maybe some people do, but I do boxes just, I feel like if I can keep one or two things, yes, if I can keep the whole box, that's awesome. Great, fantastic, and I get the discount. But I love trying things on and, you know, just kind of seeing where my style is. And I like, just like I say all the time, if I can keep one or two things from a box, then it's a success. And I truly believe that. So yeah, that's my motto and I'm sticking to it. So anyway, I liked this fashion box. So thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. Oh, and when I went to check out, I noticed I had a little bit of credit. So if you used my Fashom link, thank you so much. And I hope that you enjoyed your box. I really do like Fashom. And one of the things, I'm chatty today, huh? One of the things that I like about Fashom is their discount system. So you get, did I tell you this already? You get 20% off. I think it's 20, might be 25 for keeping 3 and 4. And when you keep all 5, you get 30% off. So I think that's awesome. Plus you get your styling fee credited to whatever you keep. So I'll get my styling fee taken off of that top. So it's a win. All right, now I'm really done. I think I'm gonna stop taping. I think I'm gonna go eat something, maybe tape some more after I eat dinner. So anyway, thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. Stay healthy, stay well, and I will see you in my next video.